Video 11. Hatch material. In this video, I will show you how to hatch materials in Allplan. Guide hatch materials of the entire ground of the project: column, aisle front yard, backyard of the ground, pool, hatch materials for garden. View the operations performed on the display screen. Hatch materials for columns. On the toolbar, select the Fill object. Adjust the color for the materials. Allplan appears two dialog boxes. View the operations performed on the display screen. Table 1. Select the color adjustment for the object. Select Properties. Select Color Main. Select the color to show. Table 2. Select Hatch Area for the object. Select the command on the dialog box will hatch for the area to be shown. Otherwise, we will select points individually for hatch. View the operations performed on the display screen. After hatching, all position columns, drawings displayed on the screen. Next, hatch for the front and back yard walkways of the project site. Follow the instructions on the screen. I invite you to watch the next video on how to draw 2D stairs in Allplan.